welcome back to my channel. I just washed and styled my hair. I'll show you the products I used. I used the Coco & Eve Hydrating and Detangling Leave-In Conditioner, and then I went in with the curl gel from Clever Curl. And on my skin I used the Genora Restore Recovery Age Defying Serum. And I just got sent this new moisturizer from GoToSkin, the very lightweight moisturizer. Smells really good. I have a photo shoot tomorrow morning. It's not with a brand, it's for myself, for my own content, but I've booked a studio and I'm doing my modeling routine, or before a photo shoot routine, which always includes washing and styling my hair. I'm going to do my teeth whitening routine, but first I'm going to dry my curls. This is the diffuser I use. I use the Dyson Supersonic diffuser. I'm going to use strong power and medium heat, and this will take around 25 minutes, and then we'll go on to my teeth whitening routine. So we have the curl results. They came out looking very defined. There is a bit of frizz. Oh, not really, just at the top a bit, but there's minimal frizz. It's looking defined. I feel like these are gonna hold for a few days. When you're doing modeling full time, hair care and skincare is obviously very important, and I document that a lot. But I wanna show you how I do my teeth whitening routine because I feel like it's a big part of my job. I am constantly talking to a camera, smiling for photos, and it just helps when I feel like I have a bright, pretty smile. It makes me feel more confident. So I use the Colgate teeth whitening kit. It comes with the LED device and the teeth whitening pen. This just fits perfectly into my routine. I spend so much time doing my hair, skincare, makeup, and all this takes is 10 minutes. I believe I've been using this kit for over a year now, and I definitely see the results. Even looking at old videos and photos in the past on my Instagram and stuff, I can tell the difference in my teeth and just how much whiter they are. So first you want to brush your teeth, which I just did, and then you want to dry your teeth right before applying the teeth whitening pen. So I keep pressing this button until the first drop comes out, and then you want to put a thin layer of the serum on each tooth, and also do the same for your bottom row. Now we're going to go in with the LED device. All you have to do is press the on button and it will switch off automatically after 10 minutes. So the LED device is powered by hundreds of tiny indigo LED lights, and they're all spread out in the mouth tray. So I'll turn off the light and show you. Pretty cool. So that is how I use the kit. Sometimes I'll do a face mask, or I'll fix my nails for the 10 minutes that the light is working its magic. So with this kit you can get professional level teeth whitening for just 10 minutes a day. If you have sensitive teeth, it's also designed for no tooth sensitivity. So yeah, I'm ready for my shoot. Hi.
Hello.
What are you two doing?
Hanging out. You've caught me with my flies undone.
Family shot.
My girls.
I filmed a quick hair tutorial on this look. It's like a half back look. I feel like it's very cute, elegant. I don't know if I can show you the clips at the back, but I found these clips and I just thought of this hairstyle. I also saw a girl do this with her hair at the TikTok house that I went to the other week, and I just thought it was so pretty and a bit different. So that will be on my Instagram and TikTok soon. I got a parcel from House of CB and I'm so excited. I've always wanted to collab with them, and they kindly sent me I think 5 different outfits, so I'm going to try them on now. I just need to steam them because I'm thinking I'm going to shoot them tomorrow when I go to the studio, but I'm just hoping they fit me because I don't know, they look a bit like my boobs aren't big enough for some of them. Let's see. When I tell you, she's tight. I can't do up the last bit of the zip. I can do it, like it fits me, but I need Fabian to like really pull it. I don't know if it's broken, stuck, and I also need Fabian to do all these hooks. But this is the dress I was most excited for. I just think it's a beautiful shape. I love how the corset just sucks me in. Even though I was bloated today, it's doing the job. Love the colour, love the design. I haven't seen anything with this design, like tie sleeves, the little keyhole, the corset. I am considering wearing this to a wedding. I hope they come out with different colours. I love yellow, but I already wore yellow to a wedding this year, and I just want to change it up, but I am down to wear this to a wedding that's coming up. I just tried to put this dress on, the Tia Sky Blue dress. Way too small. Size up if you want to get this one. It's got like a ruched corset style at the top, and then it's just kind of plain, but I couldn't even zip it up. Tiny, the waist is tiny on this one. This is a bit big. I like the idea of this dress. I just don't think I would actually pick it up to wear. I just feel like it is a bit baggy. I know it's supposed to be oversized style, but with the right hair and heels, I could probably pull it off, but it's a hard one to pull off. Now I've got to edit some stuff and then quickly clean up before my friends come over. We're gonna do a little burrito night. I bought some ice cream for dessert, just very chill, but I'm excited to catch up with them. Bye! Good morning! So I got up early, set my alarm for 7, fixed my hair, packed my suitcase with all the content, with all the outfits that I wanted to shoot at the studio, and I was just getting ready to leave, eating my breakfast, and I got an email. Sorry to do this, but we need to reschedule today. We had an event this week and the studio hasn't been emptied, so it's not in a suitable condition for you. Let us know what other day works. These things happen with bookings and stuff. It's just a shame because I was really ready to get some awesome content, but that's all right. We'll shoot stuff at home. I'm feeling really lazy. I just want to like watch movies all day, but we've already got makeup on, so let's get some use out of it. It's all good. Let's get this bread. So good news, I was able to reschedule the studio session for tomorrow. Right now I'm making TikToks, so I made one for Glassons. They send me clothing basically every month. They give me a voucher and I can choose different pieces that I want to make content with, and I just did a little haul, a try on haul for TikTok. Excuse all the mess, but this is the setup. I've got my ring light, I've got this light on in the background, and my phone on a tripod. It's basically all artificial light because I don't really get much natural light. When I open this blind, there is some natural light, but right now it's pretty dark outside. And there's either two ways of making TikToks for me. It's either I film it on my normal camera with the back camera, and then I edit it on my laptop, or I make it on the actual TikTok app. A little tip that I learned when I went on the Neon TikTok house a couple weeks ago is that TikTok favors videos that are made on the actual app, because they want people to make videos on the app, and yeah, they tend to push videos more that were made on the app. So I'm trying to make more videos just straight on the app, not on my laptop. I got this cute skirt from Glassons. It's like a knit number with a split, and then I have this in white, and I just wanted to grab it in black because it's an essential, especially for winter. I feel like as long as my neck is warm, then I am good. When I make things on the app, I spend a bit of time choosing a song, trying to find a song that suits me and also is kind of trending right now. And then I feel like people like it when you incorporate either like a dance trend into the song or you lip sync the song. So I just try to do that. But my style has always been kind of upbeat and fun, so I just try to show a bit of my personality. But yeah, that's basically how I set up for those kinds of videos. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. Tonight, Fabian and I are going to go see the Elvis movie. I've been dying to see it. I love music and I love documentaries on big musicians. You'll probably see me at the studio next, shooting some content.
I know man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself. Oh, I feel so.
This studio is so pretty. I'm definitely coming back here. There's a lot of natural light coming through, and I shot 3 outfits in 2 hours, which is pretty good. That's for a brand, so I'm pretty happy with them. I think I might have gotten a TikTok reel, but we'll see because I was rushing. Yeah, I'm definitely coming back here. It is a bit far from home, but worth it. And I didn't have to use my ring light. I just used my tripod and my phone to shoot all the content because the natural light was really good. I just got back from the gym and now we're gonna have some spaghetti for dinner.
Some biscotti.
Biscotti bolognese.
Oh yeah, girl.
I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Let me know. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel, and I will see you very soon.
See you guys.